thing first. Start by opening the Microsoft Excel.
Highlight cell B1 and B2 to J1 and J2. Click Merge and Center. Type your surname, personal monthly budget. Change it to your desired font size, font, and color. Put a bottom border for you to not be confused. And always remember to leave 1 or 2 rows and columns after every group. The reason is for the filter to not unite. Highlight B4 to B6, then merge and center. And B8 to B10, then merge and center and type actual monthly income. The reason is for the filter to not unite. Highlight B4 to B6 and merge and center. Type projected monthly income and B8 to B10. Then merge and center and type actual monthly income. Adjust or click wrap text. To the right side of projected monthly income, type income 1, extra income, and total monthly income, respectively from C4, C5, and C6. Copy it and paste to C8. Adjust wrap text, make it bold, and put borders. Row 12, type housing, projected cost, actual cost, and difference respectively. Highlight and bold. Input whatever makes you want to list under housing category like mortgage or rent, phone, electricity, water, maintenance. There should always be other and total in every category. Same happens to transportation, insurance, food, pets, and personal care. You can copy the projected cost, actual cost, and difference from row 12, but you can type it also manually. Highlight and bold every heading. Merge and center GHI 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9. Type projected balance, projected income minus expenses, actual balance, parenthesis, actual income minus expenses, and difference, parenthesis, actual minus projected. And downwards into those paired rows respectively. Merge and center J row 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, and put an all borders border. Highlight, bold, and wrap text. And you may change some font size. On row 12, G, H, and I, type entertainment, projected cost, actual cost, and difference. You may fill anything that falls under entertainment category like video and or DVD, CDs, movies, concerts, theater, sporting events. Always have other and total input at the end. Leave one row and start in rows 24, 33, 40, 46, and 52 for categories of loan, taxes, savings, or investments, gifts and donations, and lastly, legal. Again, always have an other and total in the end of each categories or groups. Keep one row and in JHI, merge and center rows 59 and 60, 61 and 62, 63 and 64. Type total projected cost, total actual cost, and total difference. Merge and center J row 59 and 60, 61 and 62, 63 and 64. Highlight and bold, click border, then all border. Highlight the 12 categories separately. Click format as table and choose the design you like. Check my tables as header, and it will look like this. If it don't have those drop-down arrows, highlight, then click sort and filter, and then filter. Type the amount of project and actual cost. Type 0 if you have no amount for it. Click on the counting number format to choose currency format. It's up to you if you want Philippine peso, US dollar, and etc. To get the difference, click equals actual cost minus projected cost row. For projected cost total, equals sum, parenthesis, highlight and column under projected cost, parenthesis, and enter. To get the actual cost, equals sum, and equals sum, parenthesis, highlight all columns under actual cost, parenthesis, except total, and press enter. To make it easier, check the right bottom corner of the cell and highlight downward or sideways to input the same formula without typing again and again. To get the total projected cost, equals sum, parenthesis, click all cells with the total projected cost, parenthesis, and enter. To get the total actual cost, equals sum, parenthesis, click all cells with the total actual cost, parenthesis, and enter. And to get the total difference, equals sum, parenthesis, click all cells with total difference, parenthesis, and press enter. In projected monthly income table, type your income, extra income, monthly income. Input your income 1 and extra income. Get both projected and actual total monthly income. Just use this formula, equals sum, parenthesis, highlight income 1 and extra income, parenthesis, and press enter. To get projected balance, equals projected monthly income minus projected cost. To get actual balance, equals actual monthly income minus total actual cost, and enter. To get the difference, equals actual balance minus projected balance. I changed my mind, so I changed the table design. I highlighted in the yellow, those below the total and the group. I highlighted the difference column, including total, and I go to conditional formatting. Icon set. Conditional formatting, icon set, and click 3 arrows. It actually depends on you on what style you want to choose. Review everything. You may want to change font style, font size, and color. Put borders, bold, check currency, spelling, arrows if there are. Don't forget to save the file. Finally, test the filter if it actually works. In insurance, try and selecting all and just select home and health. That's what will just appear. See, what you select is what will only appear. You can try the others if you want to. For the filter to go back to its default, Ctrl Z, or just click drop down arrows and check select all. That's all for this tutorial video. Thanks for watching and hit subscribe button.